being more of a fan of rock music than an actual participant sometimes. I've always covered other writers, singers' songs on my albums. On this album, I cover a song by Scott Walker. Scott Walker was part of a trio, expatriate Americans that came over to Europe and became a huge wow in the, I think, probably early 60s. I went out with a girl who went out with Scott Walker. She preferred Scott Walker to me, and at night I had to listen to all his songs, night after night. She wouldn't play my music. But it did leave with me a great love for his voice. Then in the late 70s, after Eno and I had done Low and Heroes, as Eno says, music is an area where you can crash your plane and walk away from it. You can make the mistakes that you can't make in real life. Scott Walker brought out the most extraordinary album of his own songwriting, quite the most lovely songs that I'd heard in years. Night Flights is one of them.